Hi, welcome to another episode of Will It Fit? Today I have for you Fashom. Before I get into this box, let me tell you a little bit about Fashom, and don't worry, my channel isn't a drama channel, but I do want to inform you what happened in order for me to get this box. So first of all, I've seen other YouTubers get Fashom, and I thought, hey, they get cute clothes. I'll try them out for my Will It Fit series. So end of July, beginning of August, I go on to Fashom and I fill out my style profile just like every other clothing company. And my stylist sends me a selection of the clothes, and you have a choice when that happens. You can choose to pick 5 of the items she sent, or you can ignore the email and she will pick 5 items to send you. So I go on there, I pick my 5 items, I submit the order, and then once you get the box, you have 3 days to try them on, keep what you want, send back the rest. 3 days is not a huge lot of time. That is a very quick turnaround. So just be warned, if you do get Fashom, it is a very quick 3-day turnaround. And each box is $15 styling fee, which is very, very reasonable, I think. However, unlike other boxes, that styling fee is not applied to the box when you keep any of the clothes. So it is $15 for the box, basically. And according to the website, the first month's box is supposed to be free. So after I had clicked the submit, after I chose my 5 clothes, I get a text from my credit card company asking me if I spent $50 on Fashom. And I'm like, $50 on no, I didn't spend $50. So I just type back no, without even thinking about it. And then I go on Fashom and I'm looking up all their styling fees and all that. And in multiple places it tells you for your very first box there'll be a $1 holding fee and then a $15 holding fee. And then they will take back the $15 in your first box is free. And I'm like, okay, 15. Huge difference than 50. So I email Fashom right away, and it took them probably about 2 days to email me back and tell me that the fee that I was charged was the normal styling fee, and it was just a holding fee, and it would be taken back after it was processed. Well, at that point in time, I had already told my credit card company, no, I hadn't sent that. So they canceled my existing card. I'm like, okay, I will try it one more try. I know for a fact that even if 100% of these clothes fit me, I will not continue to get them. Without further ado, let's open it up and find out. Inside we have a product card and then our return bag. First step, we have a pair of pants from 151 brand, and these are size 16. I believe they are high-waisted. They say they are jeans, but this is like stretchy, cottony, not jean material at all. It's a weird, like, greenish black. It's an interesting color. I kind of like it. This pair of pants is $55. They do not have front pockets. So, They do have back pockets, but they don't have front pockets. So, automatic no. Come on, for $55, you could put pockets in the pants. Our next top is by the brand Check It Out. This is a size 1XL, It's a very light, soft, fluttery material, but for some reason, looking at it, it reminds me of a scrub top, and I don't know if it has to do with the V or the color. We'll have to see when we try it on. It does have these very cute, like, ruching details on the shoulders. And this one is $42. We have a dress from the brand Chris and Carol. This dress is $46, and it is very see-through. Oh, but it has pockets. We have a top by the brand Maki. And this is an Aztec print top with a navy blue back. Also in size large or extra large? In the size extra large. This top is $38. And it has like a little tuck here, and then the bottom is more flowy. The back is like a very kind of t-shirt material, and then the front is more, what's that? Like a gauzy type flowy material. Oh, it's a dress! Yes, I remember this. Okay, for a minute I thought it was a top, but it's a dress. It is by the brand Gill, and it's a smocked back dress. Here's what the back looks like. It is in the size extra large, and sadly it does not have pockets. This dress is $41, and it is just like a stretchy, comfortable t-shirt material. So these pants, I would not call them jeans at all. They are not jean material. They do not feel like jeans at all. So I wouldn't call them jeans. But they are comfortable. They are super stretchy. They fit really nice. They are ankle length, and they are skinny, so they do fit snug all the way down the leg. They look very flattering onto the top. This top is the top that I felt looked like a scrub top. And even looking at it in the camera or in the mirror, it does look very scrub-esque. I don't know, like it's cute. I love the color. The sleeves are nice. But I don't know if it's just the style of how it's cut. Something about it just reminds me of scrubs. I do like this little detail here. It is very cute. And the material is a very soft, kind of gliding material. Here is the Aztec print top. And the back, I think I said on the video, the back is like a cotton material, and then the front is like a gauzy material. I love the cut and how it fans out over the belly, hiding things. To me, it's very slimming and flattering looking. I really enjoy this top. Come on, Fashom. Why do you have to give me good items after such a bad experience? Like, I don't know. When I saw this one online, I did not think I was going to like it at all, but surprisingly, I do. It's very comfortable. It is a little snug in the armholes, so when I move my arms forward, it does dig in a little bit. That would be the only negative thing to this top. Otherwise, I really, really like it. I love this dress. It comes just below my knee, which for me is the perfect length for a dress. It has pockets, which who doesn't love pockets in a dress? The cut is really nice. I love the sleeves. The print is just gorgeous. The fabric is a little bit stretchy, so while you have like the waist, which kind of curves down at an angle, it's very flattering, and I think this dress fits so incredibly well. However, it's really hard to show in this lighting here, but light just shines right through it. So for me, it would be something I'd have to wear something underneath it so it wasn't so see-through. But the top itself really isn't that bad. So it's just the skirt when light shines through it. I'm really liking this dress. Very cute, very comfortable. I have so many mixed feelings about this dress. The length is perfect, just below my knee again. The fabric is so comfortable. It does have pockets, so that's a negative. Second huge negative is it is oddly cut for me. The bottom half fits great. It's like the perfect size from about my waist down. But from here up, it's too big. And I love the cut of the neckline. Like, it's so cute how it comes in a little bit. And the sleeves are a little bit gathered. But I don't know if you can tell online, or on the camera, but this pouches out a little bit. And the whole back is way too big. Like, I have all this extra room. And that doesn't look cute with the little hanging out area. And you can just tell, like, it feels like it's just gonna, like, slide off my shoulders at any given moment. It doesn't feel like it fits very well. Also, like, the darted area, it's just, like, it should be, you know, more up here. But for me, it fits, I don't know, like, it just, it's like, yeah, you can tell, like, it just is gathery and big and baggy on the top half. Sadly, this one is a no for me because it's too big. But I'm gonna wrap my video up here. It is past lunchtime and I am starving. Anyhow, there you have my Fashom review. I loved it. I hated it. It was mixed emotions all the way around. The pants were a no-go because they don't have pockets. This dress, no-go because it doesn't fit me. The other three items, I liked and they fit me great. So 3 out of 5. Fashom did a really good job styling me, and I have to say, like, they did a great job styling me and providing me clothes that are awesome. And even this dress, I could easily, if I wanted to keep it, send it back for a different size. But because of my experience with Fashom and how the whole financial issues that we had, I'm just gonna send everything back and cancel my subscription and just be done with them. But just because I had a bad experience doesn't mean you're gonna have a bad experience. So if you've watched this Fashom video, you've seen my clothes, if you enjoy them, or if you've seen other Fashom videos and you want to give them a try, go ahead, give them a try. Make the decision on your own whether or not you want to try out their clothes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!